Ehuriro kurwana so kujanjara kw'akakoko ka sirimu mu rurembo rwa Mbarara eyebembirwa b'ekitongole kya International Community of Women Living with HIV in East Africa kandi okutongoza ehuriro ejukurirwa omuhwezi wa RCC ab'orurembo rwa Mbarara rw'amashuma Hakiyo Mutwina Masiko.
Ntwenda kwehayo tukaza ahansi tukagambira abantu bakamanya ngu sirimu ekiroho akakoko kakiriyo nikatambura abeshiki bitu twenda intervention yo kwempowering abeshiki bitu abato kugira ngo batakabihwa umuntu akaja akambeha bisa akantu k'emitwaro 10 kasimu k'emitwaro 20 kunga kakaheza hamagaraje. So omuri echo ntwenda ku encouraginga economic empowerment y'umwana w'umwishiki kugira ngo abe empowered takabihwa sente.
Dorothy Namutamba umuhwezi wa mukuru w'ekitongole kya International Community of Women Living with HIV East Africa nagira ngo batungire sente zo kwingana euro z'emitwaro 42 okutoma nkore entebe kanisa yibesere ha Choice Plus Project egenderiro kuyamba abana babishiki n'abakazi bato okutunga ebikwato ebiri kubahwira kwetantara akakoko ka sirimu.
The aim of this project is to increase access to adaptation of the HIV prevention options among 1,000 young women in Uganda, and when we are training 18 champions and improving 6 health facilities. Yeah, we are improving access to these HIV prevention tools in 6 health facilities here in Uganda. So we are targeting 1,000 adolescent girls and young women. And also we were going to work through the champions to see that this work is fully, it is out of the champions who are addressing girls and young women that even access to the information will be achieved, but also working with the person.
Abantu binje cyo kubanza tubarwire kunkani batekateka ngo barwire ahabo kugira ngo either kabyama no muntu arwire yatekateka ngo yarwara kumbo buriyo muntu akari nkame baza akakoko tkamukwata and even abwa blood differences arwara kubasa kubyama no muntu atakwasubwe kakoko so wori yagumana jatu mwene nyecyange kikawa hatabwo kumara mwakebiresa atakucebeza hati atachebize ahendera abyamire nondi zo muntu arwire oburwire bugenda kumukwata. So my appeal abeje batahibito abanyayuganda n'ensi yona chebeza okuchebeza it is the first thing.
Abandi bija kubano bakorera mu ndembe 3 ezirimo rwa Mbarara orwa Hoima hamwe na Kampala Metropolitan Area ahabwe nshongeza ashoborire.
We have and we've had today that even the HIV prevalence is even higher than what we quoted by the statistics we got. 4 to 5% was low, but we are hearing that these cities are now we are at 9%, and we know what it means for adolescent girls and young women when it comes to 9%.
Okuchondoza kwa Uganda AIDS Commission akachikwa karukurwana so kujanjara kw'endwara ya sirimu mu Uganda nukoreka ngo abantu nkaga harigana abari kutura n'akakoko ka sirimu mu Uganda n'abakaza bari hagati y'imyaka 18 na 25 mwahanshonge jemeseriza ba ICWEA okutandike uriyo kwira abana babishya baciri mu mushogoyo n'abakazi bato abataka kwasiruka akakoko ka sirimu okureba ngo bahona
ubwiro bwinje no kushanga ngo abishye bitu bababihabiha abishye bitu batwarwa ushanga umwe bine bizubu bingi ushanga bine school fees nkaba single mothers ushanga bine bizubu tuba kunywa so bashara mu kuza street bakeguza mbwenu no shanga eminyete nyinji yajumbera omukiba kweta prostitution ninga okweguza ushanga ngo mbende cyo kurya ninga nbenda kwebesaho
reba ngo batahe imyanya yo kuyamba eminyeto ejo rengu yatunga kushoborwa yatunga ebikwate barakoze se icyo kurebera hebikwato hati tuyine bikatu ikikate cyo kwasa kosa kubabachi kutera kumara kwezi nabo kubanoterana nabandi AIDS kwata tuyine ikikato kinde kikumara mezi mukaga nacho ntibakifutira umezi mukaga go nugamara nubo kuterana n'umutarwirira usanga utaba affected na utakwatwa.
Report ya Uganda AIDS Commission hona nabona yerekango rembo rwa Mbarara norumwa hande meze kukizayo kugira abantu binja bari kutura n'akakoko ka sirimu aho abantu mwenda harigana binakakoko kaka kandi umbarogu nugwe yongera bwasya bwira aha bwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.